Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Counter-Strike 2 private lobby and play with friends in private. But before that, you should remember these important things. So first is to install the Counter-Strike 2. You and your friends must have CS2 installed through Steam. Next is the Steam friends list. Ensure that your friends are added to your Steam friends list. This is essential for easily inviting them to private lobbies. Next is to unlock the private lobbies. Private lobbies may be locked for new players or profiles. You'll need to play a certain number of casual matches to unlock all features. Now, to set up a private lobby, you'll have to go to the main menu and then tap on the play option. And from here, just click on the private matchmaking. And then tap on the create a private matchmaking pool. And then click on OK. Now click on Shift plus Tab to open the Steam overlay. This allows you to invite friends from your Steam friends list to the private lobby. And then make sure to set the lobby to open party. This allows your friends to freely join your lobby. If set to close, you will have to manually invite each friend. And finally, once you've satisfied with the settings, click the Go button to start the match. This will launch the game and initiate the private match using the parameters you configured. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.